Today I'm gonna tell you how you can enrich your vocabulary, because vocabulary is the main of your fluency or main of your learning speaking English. If you want to speak English correctly, properly and fluently, if you want to communicate in English, you must know lot of huge amount of vocabularies, because when you want to know how to speak English, that means English is not your first language or English is not your mother language. If English is your mother language or English is your mother tongue, if you are the native speakers, there is no question to learn speaking English. So when you're gonna be trained up in English language, it means you don't know English language correctly and you are not the native speakers. So when English is your second language, you must know a lot of vocabularies. Lot of vocabularies will help you to be expert in speaking English. When you have a huge amount of vocabularies in your memory, it means you will be able to speak English. If I give an example, when any child is born, a newborn baby cannot utter any word without only the newborn baby can utter a sound, that is crying sound, and by this crying sound that newborn baby expresses uh, its feelings, whether it is hungry, whether it has any problem. But when a newborn baby starts to grow up, at first this newborn baby uh, creates some sounds. After that, it creates the sound of mother or father or brother or sister. After some months or after some years, a newborn baby starts to learn the words from its parents, from its grandparents, or from its brothers and sisters. Like uh, this newborn baby starts to learn some known words, and when the parents tries to teach their children some special words. These special words are father, mother, brother, sister, or the foods, the name of foods, name of drinkings, name of the house, name of some known ingredients of their family. In this way, this newborn baby starts uh, to create some words, but this newborn baby cannot speak its mother language so much fluently, because this newborn baby has very much little vocabularies in its memory. That's why this newborn baby cannot speak its mother language, even its mother language, fluently. When this newborn baby becomes 4 years or 5 years or 6 years, it tries to say some new words. Suddenly it creates some new words, and these new words make others laughing. So in this way, this newborn baby becomes to grow, and every day it creates some new words. But these new words are not coming from any foreign country. These new words coming from its family or its environment, its neighbors, etc., etc. So in this way, this newborn baby becomes to be enriched in vocabularies of its mother language. And if you are the speaker of second language, you need to have some vocabularies of that second language in your memory. If you can enrich your memory with new vocabularies, you will be fluent, or you will be becoming fluent like the newborn babies. So I would like to advise you to enrich your memory with new and new vocabularies, and those vocabularies will be second language. If your second language can be Chinese, your second language can be Korean, your second language can be English, but you need to practice these words and you need to enrich your memory with new vocabularies. And I will also say you how you can uh, keep the vocabularies in your memory ever fresh and everlasting. If you learn any new vocabularies, you can relate the meaning of that vocabularies in your mother tongue, and you can also relate the meaning of the words with some natural ingredients, and the natural ingredients will make these words ever fresh or everlasting in your memory. Like if you learn the word, the meaning of the word is, so you can relate this word is with your teacher, with your parents, or with your private teacher, or with your school teacher, college teacher, university teacher, because your teacher teaches you uh, some special things. So you can teach or you can relate the meaning of word is with your teacher. In this way, you can learn the new vocabularies, and if you relate or if you give some examples related with the words in your outside environment, and those words will be everlasting if you can relate the meaning of the words to your mother tongue, with your mother language, or with some examples of the nature. In this way, you can learn or you can make your word meanings or vocabularies everlasting in your memory. And I have tried to teach you that you must need to have some enriched vocabularies, and I also have tried to teach you how you can uh, keep your words or vocabularies in your memory ever fresh and everlasting. So I hope you have got the idea, you have got the technique how to be fluent in speaking English, how you can keep your new vocabularies in your memory everlasting. So if you think that this video lesson was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to share with others. Thank you everybody. Thanks for watching.